Class 7 pupils, welcome to our topic that was algebra that we did last time. And last time we said we are going to cover each objectives per lesson. And last time, if we may also remember our objectives of this topic, we said that the first objective that you must achieve is how to simplify algebraic expressions. That was number one. Then you should also be able to solve simple algebraic equations. Then you should also be able to form algebraic expressions and equations and evaluate algebraic expressions. Then you should also be able to carry out substitution effectively and answer questions involving inequalities. So these are our objectives as far as this topic is concerned, and we have already achieved our first objective. I believe all of you now can be able to simplify algebraic expressions. So today we want to start with solving algebraic equations, and this one also is very easy. So make sure you have your pen, you have your book, as we try to achieve our second objective. So be ready, write the examples down, then you'll find assignment at the end of these slides. Make sure you do them also and send your work for marking. Our first example for today, we are finding the value of x or any letter. We are finding the value of a known. So in the exam or in any assignment, you can find a question like this. What is the value of x in the equation below? 3x is equals to 24. So what does it mean? It means that if you multiply 3 times x, you'll get 24. What is the value of 3? Remember in algebra, we said if you see two letters are following one another, it means multiplication. And also in algebra, you must know the opposite. Anytime you see this equal sign, you must know the opposite. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. What is the opposite of division? Of course, multiplication. So there is a number here that when you multiply by 3, your answer is 24. How will you get that number? By dividing both these sides. Remember, we have two sides here. We have this side that has x as an unknown, and we also have 24 on the other side. So we divide here by 3 by 3 over 3 over 3. So by 3 is 1 by 3, and x will be equal to 24 divided by 3. X is equal to 8. Again, also you can find a question like this. 2x, if you multiply 2 times a certain number, then you subtract 7, your answer is 5. So what is this x? Start by collecting the like terms. Remember, a number and a number is like terms. And when you move this 7 to this other side, because of this equal sign, you are going to add, you're going to change the sign. Remember, it was supposed to subtract 7. Now you'll be adding 7. So it's the same as 2x is equals to 5 plus 7. 2x is equals to 12. Now it is the same as the first example that is here. 2 times a certain number, you'll get 12. So what is x? Over 2 over 2. 2x is equals to 12 over 2 over 2. These two will cancel, and x is equals to 12 over 2. X is equals to 12. Very easy. Someone also can ask you to find the value of x, and this is the equation. 8x plus 16 is equals to 48. Start by collecting the like terms. Remember, I told you, you need to move this number to this other side. And because there is an equal sign here, you must change the sign of this one when you move it to the other side. So if it was plus 16, it will be minus 16. So collect the like terms, a number and a number. 8x will be equal to 48 minus 16. 8x is equal to 32. So what is 8 times x? That will give you 32. What is the value of x? We need to divide both sides by this constant, which is 8. So 8x is equals to 32 over 8 over 8. This one will cancel, and x is equals to 32 over 8, and your x is equals to 4. Again, someone also can confuse you with this question. You will find out that you have y's and you also have a number, and then there's a problem now for you to collect the like terms. But anytime you see this equal sign, it means that you must change the signs. Anything that you move, you must change its sign. 4y plus 4 is equals to 2y plus 14. So remember, I want to move this 4 on the other side, but this 2y, I'll move it on this other side. So 4y, let me start with this 2y. 4y, if I correct the like terms, remember there's no sign here. We just assume this 2 is positive, and of course it is positive. Anytime you see a number without a sign, it's a positive number. So if you move to the other side, it will be minus. So 4y minus 2y is the same as 14, because it was plus 4 here, and I'm moving it to the other side, minus 4. So 4y minus 2y is 2y is equals to 10, because that is 14 minus 4. So what is the value of y? Like we were doing last time, 2y over 10 over 2 over 2, and your y, or the missing letter in that equation, y is equals to 5. So let me repeat for the last time. Anytime you see these two sides, you have two sides and you're moving them to the other side, you would remember to change their signs. So 4y, I'll subtract minus 2y is equals to 14. This is b minus 4. So 14 minus 4 is 10. Then if I subtract now, 4y minus 2y is 2y. Then 14 minus 10 minus 4 is 10. Then I subtract over 2 over 2, and my y is equals to 5. Someone also can ask you a question like this: why there is a number y divided by 3, your answer is 90. So what is this y? Remember, this is a number, this is also a number. I need to move this 3 to the other side. And I told you it is the opposite. If it is addition, it will be subtraction. If it is subtraction, it will be addition. But if it is division, it will be multiplication. So what is y? Y is the same as 90 times 3. And your y is equals to 270. So make sure you write those examples down, and then you attempt this exercise that I've given you here. So you have 5 questions. That is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, 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 very easy. Work them out, and then you send your work in the WhatsApp number that I'll send. And also ensure you write those examples in order. So that one is our second objective as far as this topic, as we are covering this topic. And also when we meet next, we will cover the third objective until we finish this topic. So have a good day. Ensure you do my work.